Hey guys, I made $1,000 in just 15 days off of Tesla stock. But first, let's backtrack. I posted on my Instagram story, should I buy $26,000 worth of Tesla stock or $26,000 Tesla? And the one that was voted for was the Tesla stock. So most people said Tesla stock, but instead of just buying the shares outright, I used a smarter strategy called selling puts. Let me explain what that means. Selling a put is like getting paid to say, I'll buy your sneakers if no one else does. Let me show you for example. Your friend wants $100 for their shoes. You say, if no one buys them in 2 weeks, I'll take them for $90. And then they give you $5 just for making the promise. If someone else buys them, you keep the $5. But if not, then you have to buy them for $90, which you were okay with anyway. That's selling a put. In my case, I did that with Tesla stock, not sneakers, and I got paid $1,000 up front. So why did I choose selling puts instead of buying the stock? Well, selling puts pays you the premium up front, and it also lets you pick a lower price that you'd be happy to buy at. It's like setting a limit order and getting paid while you wait. And if the stock drops, I buy it cheaper. If not, I keep the cash. So let me show you the actual trade that I made to make $1,000 in 15 days. This is the contract I bought. I said that if Tesla drops the price of $285 by 5/30/2025, that I would have to buy 100 shares. Thankfully, Tesla price hovered about 340 and I never had to buy any Tesla shares, but I still got paid the premium up front. As you can see, the premium was $1,089.96. A key thing to note is that when you're selling puts and you're choosing your strike price for a certain stock, that you're choosing a strike price that you're willing to buy 100 shares of that stock at. For example, I did a Target put. I sold a put for Target for $98. And it fell to about 97.96, so I had to buy 100 shares of that. Thankfully, over the span of the last few weeks, it's came right back up. So now I'm up about $150 on that, and I got paid a $32 premium for owning it. So then that was a win-win scenario. So how do you know which stock pays the highest premium? Well, the more volatile a certain stock is, the higher the premium will be. So now, let me walk you through how to sell a put on Robinhood. Okay, so I'm on the Robinhood mobile app. You can pick any stock. In this scenario, I picked Nike. Nike just had a big boom upwards. It was trading at $60, now it's trading at $72. So it is currently kind of volatile. So you'll press trade and then trade options. Today is June 28th. We're looking at about a week further. Would be July 3rd. So if you're looking at the top section, those are all the expiration dates you can choose. Let's just pick July 3rd. And then now we want to pick a strike price. It's telling us that Nike is currently at $72. And we think that it's not going to hit $71. But we are okay with buying 100 shares at 71. And if we look at the right side, it said 0.78. That means if we buy that contract, that means we get $78 premium for just buying the contract. If the price goes down to $71 or less, we have to buy 100 shares at $71. So we'll click the contract and it shows us estimated credit $78 or $77.96. And then you just press 1 and then review and submit. Now, one thing you need to understand is that you have to have that money in collateral. So it says max loss is $7,000. That just means $7,000 will be used to buy 100 shares. Up in the top right or top left tells you how much you have that's available to use to invest, which mine says $4,300. So I would have to add funds to the account to be able to have enough collateral to even buy the contract. So now I want to know, would you rather buy the Tesla stock, or sell the puts like I did? Let me know down below in the comments. And if this gave you a new idea, drop a like. Thank you for watching.